the channel. So for today's video, we are learning a line dance. It is a 32 count, 4-wall line dance, but before we get into the tutorial, if you guys happen to like today's video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And okay, without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna face the back so you guys can follow along with my feet. So to start this dance off, we're gonna start on count and 1. So, and 1, that's how we start. So what you're gonna do is your feet are gonna come apart and you're gonna do a quick step, step. Now it doesn't matter which step you take first. It can be your left foot or your right. You choose, totally optional. So just starting with the count and 1. So try it with me. Ready, and 1. Awesome. Now you're gonna hold for 2, hold for count 2. So and 1, hold 2. So from here, you're going to swing your hips left to right. So you're gonna take your hips left and then right. So the counts are 3, 4. So we hold for 2 and then swing left, right. Good, taking it from the top. And 5, 6, ready, and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4. Okay, so for this next part, you're gonna take your hips left to right. Now everybody kind of does it their own style, their own flair, so it's up to you on how you want to do this. You can swing your hips left to right, or you can just bounce those hips. What are the counts? 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally optional. Feel free to do whatever you like, but just make sure you take it left to right. So ending with your weight on your right hip. Let's take it from the top. 5, 6, ready, and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, moving on. Next part. So from here, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, and we're going to take it on a bit of a diagonal. So we're going to rock forward, right, back, left. And then we're going to take it to our right, and we're going to do a step together step. So you're going to take it right, left, right. And then you're going to do the same thing with that left foot. You're going to rock forward on a bit of a diagonal. So we rock forward, back, and then we're going to take it to our left, but this time we're going to make a quarter turn to our left as we do it. So you're going to step left, right, left. So taking it from the new part, our weight is on our right. 5, 6, here we go. Rock forward, back, and step together, step. Rock forward, back, and quarter turn. Okay, whole thing from the top. And 5, 6, ready, and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so next part, our left foot is in front. Next count of 8, we're going to cross that right foot over our left, and then we're going to step out to the side with our left foot. Step. Good. Now we're going to take that left foot and cross it over our right, and then we're going to bring our right foot out to the side and step. So going from the new part, our left foot's in front, we cross. Right step, left, left step, right. One more time, again, left foot's in front, ready, and cross, step, cross, step. Okay, so our right foot is out to the side. From here, we are going to do a turning box step, and I will break that down. So again, right foot's out to the side. You're going to cross that right foot over your left. Good. Now you're going to take that left foot back, and we're going to get ourselves back to center. So that right foot that's in front is going to make a quarter turn to our right. So you're going to step, and then you're going to bring that left foot across. So try it again. Right foot's out to the side. We cross. Right, back, left, quarter turn, left, cross. One more time, same part. Right foot's out to the side, turning box step, ready, and right, left, right, cross, left. Okay, let's take it from the top. And 5, 6, ready, and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the last count of 8, and there are a few variations for the last 4 counts, and I will break that down when we get to it. So our left foot is crossed over. So from here, you're going to bring that right foot that's behind, you're going to step out, and do a step touch. And as you can see, I'm taking it on a bit of a diagonal, so I'm stepping right, left. So again, left foot's crossed over, right foot's behind. So we step right, touch, left. Then you're going to do another step touch, but this time you're not taking it on a diagonal. You're just going to take it to the side. And you're going to step left, touch, right. So taking it from where we're crossed over, left foot's crossed in front. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is where we've made it to the last 4 counts of the line dance. So there are a few variations. So variation number 1, after you do the 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to do a grapevine. That's variation 1. And you're going to make a quarter turn to your right as you do it. So you're going to go right, left, behind, and then right, touch, left. So that right foot, when it comes out, you're going to make a quarter turn to your right, bring that left foot in. So try it again. Ready, and right, left, behind, right, touch, left. Okay, now variation 2. Taking it from where we do the 2 step touches. Ready, and 1 step touch, 2 step touch. So this next variation you can do also is a turn. So you're going to take that turn to your right. I'll tell you the steps. You're going to step right, left, right, touch, left. So try it again. Ready, and right, left, right, touch, left. So that's another variation you can do as well. So last variation, variation number 3, you can try. Going from the step touches, left foot's in front, we step 1 step touch, 2 step touch. This one I find kind of fun. You're going to hop on 1 foot and then fist pump as you do it. And you're going to do that making a quarter turn to your right. So try it with me. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, those are the 3 variations you can do at the end. You can do a grapevine, a turn, or hopping on 1 foot and fist pumping. It's totally up to you. Whatever you feel, you do that. So that's the whole dance. So we're going to try it again from the top, and then we will run it a couple times on different walls. Okay, here we go. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, right, cross, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do a grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8. So each time we run it, I'm going to do a different variation just so you guys can see the different ways to do it. So, new wall, same dance, taking it from the top. I'll back up a bit. And 5, 6, here we go. And 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last time, new wall, same dance. Here we go. Full out. Try it with me. And 5, 6, ready, and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's new line dance. Now, if you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys like today's new video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching and dancing with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!